In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an auto number in Airtable. Automatic ID 2026. Open your browser and head to airtable.com. If you're new, you can sign up, but if you already have an account, click Login and enter your credentials. That part is quick. Email and password or a single sign-on option. Then you're in. After logging in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. Here's what you'll see. Your workspaces are listed on the left, and your recent bases appear in the middle. This layout helps you jump back into your projects fast. Choose the base where you want to add an automatic ID. If you don't have one yet, create a new base. Any simple base will do for this example. When the base opens, you'll likely be in the default grid view, which looks like a spreadsheet. That's perfect for what we need, because fields and records are easy to manage here. Now, scroll to the far right of your fields. If your table has many columns, you might need to drag the horizontal scroll bar all the way over. You're looking for the plus button that lets you add a new field. Click that plus to create a new column. Airtable will show a list of field types. You can use the search bar at the top to type Autonumber, or scroll to find it in the list. Select Autonumber. This field type is designed to automatically generate unique, incremental numbers for each record, which is ideal for clean, reliable IDs. Give the field a clear name. Something like record ID or ticket number works well. Naming it thoughtfully will make it easy to reference in views, filters, and linked workflows later. When you're ready, click Create Field. Airtable will immediately populate that column with numbers, starting at 1 for the first record and increasing by 1 for each subsequent record. If your table already had rows, every record will get a number assigned. This field is read only, meaning you can't manually edit the values, and that's intentional. It preserves uniqueness and consistency. Reordering or filtering your table won't change the numbers. If you delete a record, Airtable won't reuse that number. New records continue with the next available integer. A few quick tips to finish strong. Use this auto number as a stable reference when you need to identify records in emails, reports, or integrations. If you ever want a formatted ID, like adding a prefix or leading zeros, you can pair this auto number with a formula field later without changing the underlying sequence. And that's it. You've created an auto number in Airtable, giving your base a dependable automatic ID for every record.